So you see, we have as a result, in a sum, concerning of different parts, a completely new aesthetic message, a new way to bring something together and to put more emotion in. So it's quite interesting. So with different layers, we have a really artificial word, and now it's just easy like that. A new message, and of course we are looking forward to give you the message from the new Galaxy Note, put it on the paper, and not so fast that we could see here, but close to them you will have maybe in the future a result completing your publicity campaign. Amazing result. Gives you the feeling this is really fine arts, and this is what we understand the state of the art. Art concerning the illustrator, working as an artist, and of course state-of-the-art technology made by Samsung, and you will have all the advantages to work in a really convenient way with that interesting pen and that device. And remember, we're only just talking now, this is one field you can work. We have a complete computer that keeps you connected with the world, that gives you more abilities. But okay, last question, it is always a good question. We're talking about the professional illustrator, but what about the normal users? The big business will take place with normal users, correct? And Samsung said, okay, it makes no sense to give you the best hardware. We have always to keep an eye on the normal users, give them some new possibilities. So one of this is the S Note. This is a special software, and you are hardly invited to check it out by yourself after the show. So it's quite easy. Gabriel shows the surface, and just like that, you have different possibilities to work with that device. Quite easy, just 1-2 seconds. It's faster than you will pick a real sheet of paper and a real pencil in your hands, so you can start. And what we can see, different possibilities. Write a note, write a note for your business, well-prepared forms are there waiting. I can see this is some magazine. You will be enabled to create your own magazine quite fast. Travel book, sketch your ideas, and my favorite is a travel book because you can speak something. And, ladies and gentlemen, not to forget, the most of us unfortunately not live in Barcelona, and that's why don't forget to send a postcard at the place where you live. And the most of us had that no time. In the future, and Gabriel is showing you, it's quite easy. Push this button and go to the postcard modus. And of course, so easy. Choose your picture, you have the right size, the frame is already done for the postcard. And not that, on the other side you will find the space, write down your personal message. This is only just one of thousands possibilities